Hanuman embraces Bhim. Bhim was very happy to meet Hanuman. He bowed before his brother and apologized for his arrogance. He then humbly asked Hanuman to reveal his true identity. Bhim wanted to see the magnificent form that Hanuman had assumed when he crossed the ocean, burned the entire Lanka, and brought Sanjeevani herb for Lakshman. Hanuman agreed, and the moment he took his huge form, the entire region was filled with immense light. The shine of that light was unbearable. Bhim could not face it and immediately closed his eyes. Hanuman resumed his normal form and embraced Bhim. Bhim then revealed to Hanuman about the imminent war against the Kauravas. Hanuman said, "Bhim, a battle is a mixture of physical power and brain. The usage of brain is equally important while fighting against your enemy." He further added, "If you want, I can defeat your cousins at once and return the kingdom to you." Hanuman inspires Bhim. Bhim politely refused to take Hanuman's help in regaining their kingdom. "I know it is very easy for you to defeat the Kauravas, but this is our responsibility to defeat them and teach them a lesson. We just need your blessing," Bhim said. Hanuman was pleased to know Bhim's point of view. He said, "Bhim, my roar will join yours when you challenge your enemies in the battlefield, and the sound will create terror in the hearts of the enemies. I will be there, with you always. I will sit on the roof of Arjun's chariot. I bless you to win the battle of justice." Bhim embraced Hanuman again and felt his strength increasing. He also learned two valuable lessons from his mighty brother: patience and humility. Hanuman then showed Bhim the way to the pond. Bhim succeeded in reaching the pond after crossing several obstacles. He collected the Saugandhika flowers and gifted them to Draupadi. Arjun doubts Ram's strength. Arjun, one of the Pandavas, was traveling to various pilgrimage centers in India. Once, he visited the famous Rameshwaram, where Lord Ram had established a famous Shivling. This was the place from where Ram had approached the Lanka. Arjun had repeatedly heard from Krishna and others that Ram was the greatest warrior and archer ever. Arjun also visited the site where the huge bridge named Nal Setu was built. It was the same bridge that led the huge monkey army to Lanka. Suddenly, a doubt arose in Arjun's mind. If Ram is regarded as the greatest archer and warrior ever, then why did he seek help from the monkeys? Why did he depend on them? Why could he not use his powers to build the entire bridge with his arrows? He wondered. Arjun was unable to understand why Krishna said that Ram's archery was unmatched. He was confused. Why did he take the help of the monkeys? Hanuman said, "Arjun, No archer can construct a bridge of arrows that can withstand the weight of many monkeys. Can you do so? I bet your bridge will not be able to withstand even my weight, an old monkey's weight.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.